This 1.364 acres of land is directly off Highway 30 and is zoned light industrial. There are utilities and a 1960 teardown or fixer-upper 1,434 square foot home located on the property. This is an excellent location for a strip center, freestanding building, convenience store, retail, office, or any business development. An apartment complex to the left of this property. Part of an estate and was an investment property. Sold as is. No VA or FHA Prefer Cash or conventional. Buyer and buyer's rep to verify all info.